For making the tassels, I have used two crochet threads. The color of two crochet threads is just very similar. I have picked the end of the two threads and I wrap the threads over my forefingers for 8 times. Now I will make a cut at the end of a working thread, as well as cut the tassels thread. And now I will use some of the thread to secure the tassels threads. So for that I have just picked the two threads and I will make a simple knot to fix all of the tassels thread. To fix them I will knot twice, as you can see it. And then after making the two knot I will just cut the end of the threads because these are not more required, and this will give the clumsy look to my tassels. As well as I will cut the end of the tassels thread to give it a fine look, and again I'm using a bit of thread to give some unique look to our crochet tassel. And again I will make two knots and cut the end of the thread. Now a tassel is ready. You can use it to decor your clothes or wall hanging. Until next video, bye bye.